Shashank from CSCG. Today I want to demonstrate about conditional statements in C and loop structures in C. First, conditional statements are used to control the flow of the program based on the certain conditions. The first condition is if statement. The if statement is used to execute a block of code if a specified condition is true. For example, here number is 10. If number 10 greater than 0, it is true, so the printf statement is executed. If the condition is false, then below statement is not executed. The next structure is if else statement. If else statement allows you to execute one block of code if the condition is true, and another block if the if condition is false. For example, this is the syntax. Sample program. The number is -5. If -5 greater than 0, then below statement is executed. Since the condition is false, then else statement is executed. That is, the output will be the number is non-positive. The next one is else if statement. The else if statement allows you to specify multiple conditions to check, and it is used for conjunction with if and optionally else. For example, here we will take the example program. Here the number is 0. If 0 greater than 0, the statement is false. So the below printf statement is not executed. Then control shift to the else if. Now the condition is checked. 0 less than 0, the condition is false. So the below printf statement is not executed. Then control shift to the else. Else 0 equal to 0 means the condition is true. So the below printf statement is executed. The output will be the number is 0. Then one is nested if else. Nested if statement is in C is a if statement that is placed inside the another if statement, and the inner if statement is executed based on the condition of the outer if statement. For example, if here we will see the syntax. If here condition 1 is true, then below the if statement condition 2 is checked. If condition 2 is also true, then below the condition 2 statement is executed. If the condition 2 is false, then else condition is executed. But if the condition 1 is false, then this whole nested if else is not executed, and below outer else statement is executed. Example, you have here 15. If 15 greater than 10, here 15 greater than 10. So the number is the below printf statement will be executed. That is, the number is greater than 10. Here num percentage 2, that is 15 percentage 2 is not equal to 0. So the below printf statement is not executed. Then here the else statement is executed. Here we can see the number is odd. 15 is odd. So this statement is executed. Here, for example, if we take here, if the number is 9, if you check the first condition 9 greater than 10, it will be false. So this whole block is not executed, and at last below else statement is executed. That is, the number is not greater than 10. statement. The switch statement is used to select one of many code blocks to be executed based on the value of the expression. Here we can see the syntax switch expression. In case constant 1 is executed if the expression matches with the constant 1. If the expression does not matches with constant 1, this case constant 1 is not executed. Then it is checked for the case constant 2. If the expression matches to the constant 2, then this case constant 2 program will be executed and below are not executed. If none of the case constants above are not true, then default statement is executed. The variable is 2. Variable is choice and the constant is 2. Here case 1, value is not matching with the choice, so case 1 will not be executed. Here case value is matched with variable choice, so the case 2 block of statements will be executed. Then the statement output will be you choose option 2.